going to show a demo from our latest, academia innovation, where we worked with, one of the banks and came out with a solution for them for the non-performing assets. Who are taking a loan with a non-performing asset, how we can find out whether he is a defaulter or not. So this is a presentation for 5 minutes using our cloud platform, Power AI cloud platform. Our team prepared it, and it's a kind of a good demo. We can walk through actually, but self-running demo actually. So. You just watch it, using the Power AI system. So this is a POC for NPA prediction using neural network, was developed on a Python notebook. And some of you already got the system access. So using the Nimbus, the Power AI cloud, we are logging in. And then we are getting a VM. It is a kind of a container, Docker container. And the Power AI system, you can choose with the course, number of cores you want. And this is what we are going to do in next 30 to 1 hour based on the next presenter. So this code, we open sourced it. This also the code is available in the GitHub. I can give you the pointer. If you want to go and add some features on top of that. in this demo we do both, the training as well as, the inference. And actually, the person who ran the demo, who really ran it on the system, he told us that, we use this system, to get a higher performance compared to the x86 machine which he was running. So similarly, there are other industries also, where we are working with and, coming out with kind of, the training as well as inference of, the deep learning models. And through our YouTube, the AI University, virtual university, we will be releasing them, and people can get benefit on, learning about it, and also we will be GAing that, through our GitHub also. So it's a kind of, the open source stuff, which we have been doing it. Let's continue our, the case study, which we talked about. And some of you have got access to Nimbus, our cloud platform, the OpenPOWER cloud platform. And, I'm going to walk you through some of the, one of the applications, very simple deep learning applications, so that you can also go through that on your own, and probably you can use our, the YouTube channel and GitHub, all the open source code, to port it on Power Platform. So on our Nimbus cloud, see, I already, you guys have some access, but maybe I can walk you through what did I do from the beginning. So we have to go to nimbus.net. That's a server platform, cloud server platform. And those who have got access, you can log in using your ID. And this is my system right now. I already created it, but probably I will walk you through how we can do that one more time. You can click on push compute, and you will get a search button where you can do IBM Power AI, and that will give you a window for you to basically go and create something. So you can click on this new and get a window like what I got before. And see here, you can choose what is the architecture you want, the Power architecture, and then you can OK it, and you can get a container image, the VM. And this is what I got now. I already did that, and let me go through that stuff again. So yeah, I click on that, the Power AI example notebook, right? So server. So now I can choose, whatever the a configuration I want based on my requirement. And since I gave you a free access, sometimes you need to really understand whether your application requires just CPU or GPU. If you need GPU, then you can choose the GPUs here. In the bottom, you have multiple GPUs. See here, the Minsky, the Power 8 server GPUs and all there. Even Power 9 is also as part of Nimbus. It's available. Whatever we talked about in last 2 hours, the Power 9 system with the NVLink and all. And I'm going to choose only the Power 8 with the CPU because this is not going to consume a lot of CPU also. And see here, I get a notification saying confirm job will want the time limit and something like that. And then immediately you will get a VM, probably in another 2 minutes or something. See, this is queued right now to get it processed, and you will get a container with a login maybe within a minute. Are you able to do that? Those who have got access. So this is the job output, and you see here it's still processing, but the system is booting now there with our VM, and now we got a login prompt. Got it? So it takes only few minutes to get a VM, and we got an IP address here. This is the IP address, and we got a password to log into. So we all know that we need to log in using a SSH or a terminal, and that's what I'm going to do that to here. So this is my current window. So now I need the IP address or whatever, the domain name, SSH, Nimbus should be the username for that. I'm going to give you a document also for those who enrolled, who wants to do this experiment. Maybe I have to try my previous one. Looks like that. Bad luck. This is not allowing me to log in. I was able to log in a few minutes back. Any of you are able to access the system? Hello? Any of you able to access the system?
I access the system, but I can't search the IBM Power AI.
IBM space Power AI.
All are lowercase.
Yeah. Yeah, it should be in any case. I think it should be one.
Power
I'll come to you actually, but the thing is now I was able to access from there, and looks like
Yeah, now it comes.
See, I have a set of steps to perform all the operations here. Um, Still you're not able to do that? Oh, hold on. I'm already there on the system. Sorry. I couldn't see it. See here? Let me log out and now log in. It should work now. See, now it's working. So I'm already there on the system. That's why I didn't log out. So we have to do SSH and we have to enter the password